Hi guys, today I'm going to make cucumber pickle. I've got these 4 huge cucumbers which you normally can't find in Italy very well, so it's too much. I've saved 2 to put into salad, and I've just finished in this big jar here, finished the last of the sauerkraut, which was fantastic and so delicious. I could just eat the whole bowl. I got the brine just right and it came out perfect, so that's the last. So I can now use these 2 jars for the cucumber pickle. So first thing to do is just to slice the cucumbers. I'm going to try and set this up because I don't want to put it on my I think that possibly putting it here is probably best. So what you want to do is chop all of them, take the ends off, so top and tail them, and then you want to slice them reasonably thin. I slice them about, that's how thin they should be. And once you've sliced them all, then you're going to stuff them into this big jar and boil the vinegar. So I boil the vinegar and I put some peppercorns in it, and if you have some dill leaves are quite nice, but just salt is fine. I use Himalayan pink salt. I've got a big container of that. So I make the brine. I dilute the salt in the water first. I stir it until the salt dissolves, and then bring that brine to a boil, a rolling boil. It should be really hot. And then when you've stuffed all these cucumbers and you need to stuff it down all the time so there's no air pockets, then you're going to pour the brine over, seal the jar, and bingo. In a while, I would say about 2 weeks for cucumbers. These are quite nice, and I thought actually when I bought them that the seeds might be too big, but they're actually looking great. They're nice. They're not dry inside. They're nice and crunchy. And if you want them crunchy, 2 weeks is good. It's important to make sure that the brine is boiling, so it sterilizes the whole process, and then that you seal the jar well, and it will vacuum.